Make a great choice today with the 2018 Sentra. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.